Lightly fry the sage leaves. Like this. When they are like this, they're pretty much done. Lower the flame to very low and add the 300 grams of thick cream. Add a teaspoon of salt. You can add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or at the very end some saffron. Keep mixing. As the powder is absorbed and the cream is slightly simmering, you may add the ham and the blue cheese of gorgonzola. Keep stirring. When the water is boiling, put your ravioli in the pot. Do not worry much about the salt, as the sauce is sufficiently salty. You may put the teaspoon, not in the salt but in the water if you want it, and then you just keep cooking. When the ravioli are pretty much cooked, or even if there is like 30 seconds left before they are fully cooked, you add them to your sauce, and then you turn back on the fire low and keep mixing in for maybe, I don't know, as desired the level of thickness of the cream is reached. Maybe a couple of minutes. Yeah, and that is about that. Then you serve in your plate, you put in your sage if you want, if you made the sage. Add the parmigiano to your heart content, mixing it with a fork. Enjoy!